So ladies and gentlemen, we are today at Singrauli, district Singrauli of Madhya Pradesh. We're trying to see the coal block, coal mining operation, the various methodologies and the various equipment and the various processes involved therein. One of the most important things in the coal mining is especially the transportation of the coal from the coal mine up to the railway siding and also up to the end use plant. We can just see it here that particularly in the Sasan project, at that coal mine you can just see that this is the old OP, this is the overburden, and which has been removed from the coal mine, which is around 50 meters to 100 meters, 40 meters topsoil, which has to be removed, and then afterwards when you extract the coal, and then there's a coal handling plant, and finally of the coal handling plant you have to transport the coal to the end use plant or the wagons, the train stations. So this is the coal plant. You can just see that there's a lot of noise coming. This conveyor belt which is covered, it is working perfectly, it is propped up on pillars, and it goes right, runs for around 20 kilometers, and it reaches the Sasan thermal coal-based thermal power project, which is 4,000 megawatt ultra mega power project. So it feeds one of the most important regions for LXT, many states of India, and it helps therein through generation of very huge amount of LXT at very cheap rates. Of course, it was earlier done by Terpe, and today we can see that transportation of coal from the coal mine right up to the end use plant, Sasan plant, through this conveyor belt which is 20 kilometers long. So the coal you are having safe, you are having secured, and you are having without any disturbance and without any adulteration and pilferages. Thank you very much.